morning everyone, I hope everyone's good. Thursday's lesson today on multiplying fractions. I've been really impressed with kind of everything you've been doing this week so far. You know, you've all tried really hard. I've had no one complaining that it's too hard, too difficult, too easy, so hopefully you're finding it the right level of difficulty. I'll be doing an online lesson for our literacy today at 10:30, so hopefully you can get onto Google Hangouts and give it a go. Okay, here we have some multiplying fractions questions. Let's start with a fairly easy one. So 1/8 multiplied by 5. So what we're looking for is 5 lots of 1/8. So let's use our diagram. So I'm going to draw one whole bar. I'm going to split it into eighths. So we're starting with 1/8, so I'm going to show 1/8 in, but I'm multiplying that by 5, so I'm going to end up with 5 lots of 1/8. So let's look at this as a fraction now. We started with the same denominator, which is going to be 8. However, now we have got 5 shaded in, so the numerator will be 5. Question 2, 2/5 multiplied by 2. So again, we're just using our times tables. This time, my box is going to be split into 5. So 1, 2. And remember, it doesn't have to be exact for a diagram, okay? This is just to help you see what's happening. So starting with 2/5, so I'm going to shade in 2/5, and I'm multiplying that by 2. So I've got 2/5 there, I'm going to add another 2/5, therefore, again, the denominator doesn't change, it's still fifths, but my numerator is now 4. 4/5. Okay, 3/8 times 5. Now this one's going to be a little trickier because I can already see that I've got 3/8. Well, 3/8 times 5 is 15, which is more than 1 whole. Let's draw it and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to start with one whole. Okay, 3/8 of that whole are shaded in. Great. Now, multiplying this by 5. So I've got 1, and then need to do 2. Okay. Now this is where we need to think, okay, well if I filled in 1 hole, I need to then draw another diagram. Okay, so I had 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So there's my 3/8. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 1, 2, 3. That's 5. So let's look at it first of all as an improper fraction. So again, I've split my whole into 8s, so my denominator does not change. Now, in terms of how many 8s I've now got, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 8s. Now, 15 8s is a perfectly good answer. However, I can also express that as a mixed number of how many wholes and how many fractions I've got. So, you can see that I've got 1 whole, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you go. So remember, we also have our SumDog logins. So if you want to do a little bit of extra maths in the afternoon, you know, TT Rocksard is really good, but also get onto SumDog and get practicing some more questions. Every little bit helps. See you soon.